Welcome. Now it's time to start a discussion about casting. And casting means to convert a data type to another data type. So let's say that I have the variables x equals to 5 and y equals to 3.0. Now if I print those values here, print x, print y, if I run this, we get 5 and 3.0. And to convert, let's say that I want to convert this variable y, I want to convert it to an integer. So I want only the whole part, and I don't want to have the fractional part. In that case, you need to use casting. And to use casting, we surround our variable with parentheses and we precede the variable. So before the variable, we put the type we would like to convert our variable to. So I'm going to type here int I. So I want this y to be an integer. So now if I run this, you get 5 and 3. You don't get the fractional part. And I can go the other way around. I can surround this with parentheses. I can make this a float to make the 5 to be a float, not an integer, a whole number. So you get 5.0 and 3. So our casting works. We convert the types to another type. Now, you may be wondering, but why is this useful? When I'm going to use, let's say that we have a scenario like this, print, and we have x divided by y. And let's say that, let's see what we get in the output. We get 1.66, and I don't want to have this decimal part here. What can I do? To don't have the decimal part, we need to convert this, because this expression, so this expression here, it's a floating type. It's of type float. So this is why it has the decimal part here. And we need to surround it with parentheses and convert it into an integer. And that is going to give us back only the whole part. So now I'm gonna run this code and we get 1. So now we get only the, and another scenario where you're gonna use casting is, let's say that I type here x has the value plus x. Now I can't concatenate strings and numbers. I need to convert this. So I'm gonna put parentheses to a string. So I'm going to convert it to a string. I'm going to put str in front of the variable. Now if I run this, now I get x has the value 5. So this is casting. I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.